Hey, welcome back to another episode of ACT and SAT practice questions. My name is Romel with the Jack's Tutor. So today, let me see what we're talking about today. We're going to talk about improper fraction and how to put an improper fraction into simple form. This is not too bad. Let me show you what they give us here. So it says when 4 3 over 7 is written as an improper fraction in simplest form, what is the numerator of the fraction? So what we want here is the numerator. So let's see what we have. I didn't really use this color, but that's fine. What do we have? 3/7. So I want to know what's the numerator is. And the easiest way to solve for this is easy. Just multiply this by this and then add that to it. So you multiply this by this and then add this to it. That's it. That's the simple formula. So 4 times 7, multiply this by this, and then you add the top to it, plus 3. What's 4 times 7? 28. What's plus 3? And then 21 plus 3 is 31. Which is the answer choice. Let's see what answer choice is. It's K here. Answer choice K. Let's see. I think you can see that. There you go. Yeah, it's answer choice K here. So it's easy. So if you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT and the SAT. And in fact, any other standardized test. Thank you very much. This is Romel with the Jack's Tutor. And if you want to work with us too, click on the link below. Thank you very much. All right, bye.